Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a deep clean of my very disorganized and messy refrigerator. So let's get into it. First I'm going to have a little snack and then we're going to get started. So I'm going to use my little bleach wipes. First thing we're going to do is take everything out. I'm going to start with the side drawers and take everything out of there, wipe everything down, and then put everything back. I'm gonna check all the dates on everything and make sure that it's good. There I am asking my husband if they still use this stuff because it's clearly things I don't use. So then I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna try to put it in categories. So I put all the hot sauces on one shelf, all the dressings on another shelf, which is mostly ranch. And on this shelf, the top two are going to be condiments, and then milk on the bottom, and then just jars that can't fit. On the top two shelves on this side are going to be on the bottom. Next, I'm going to make my way to the interior shelves. I'm going to throw out anything that is bad. We're the worst. We waste so much food. And then I'm going to wipe down all of these shelves and then put everything back into categories as much as I can. And any shelves that I can't get anything off with my little wipes, I'm gonna take to the sink and scrub them and wash them. My shelves are all glass in our refrigerator. And then these drawers and shelves, I'm gonna take everything out, like I said, wipe them down and try to organize them as best I can. And then I want you guys to see it actually is messy in here. And sorry guys, those are the bags on the floor from when we went to the grocery store. We have to take them out to my car in the garage. I keep opening and closing the shelves because our refrigerator like beeps and the beeping's really annoying, so I keep closing it so the beeping can stop. So I'm trying to organize everything. Like I have a section for bread, a section for meats, just putting everything back in an orderly fashion. So that is it, folks. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. That is leftover waffles that she had. So we're gonna save those and give them to her tomorrow. But I have our eggs there, apple juice, meal prep kit, all of our breads. We have so much bread. All of like spreads or dips are there. Our minced garlic is there. Cold brew coffee and coconut water. All of our sparkling waters are there, and then my husband's energy drink, and then that whole section is meat. And then I have our salads and tortillas in that drawer. This drawer is like snacks, yogurt, apple slices, and more yogurt. And then the bottom is like cheese and then like more meat, but more for like sandwich stuff. And I didn't really need to pick up the freezer part because it was all taken care of. And then this is all the condiments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this little fridge cleaning video, please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.